Mariah and I are taking Paisley for a little walk. And then I have to make a run to Walmart, which is about a half-hour away, to stock up on groceries for the next few days. We're supposed to get our first big snowstorm of the winter, starting this afternoon and going until, all day tomorrow. And what we've learned from the last spring storm is that when North Dakota gets a lot of snow, the roads may be shut down for 2 or 3 days. So it's a good idea to stock up in case we are snowed in for a few days. And even if you can get to the stores might be closed because the employees can't get there. That was a little hairy. It started freezing rain on the windshield on the way here. Had to pull over and scrape the windshield off. Either we're out of fluid or it's not working right. I gotta check. So we were out of fluid, but we had some in the back, so I just filled it up, and now we're gonna go hit Walmart. We don't have much in the way of snow pants. No Lucas size.
Right up there. Like that. Worcestershire sauce.
Alright, what's the cheapest one? I think there was a cart corral on the other side of us. Well, I refilled the windshield wiper fluid, but it's not working. So this is my visibility. I just pulled over to scrape the windows.
So mom's out there being an awesome mother and scraping off the windows so she can have her visibility back. Affected me. Again, she has to do it. It's really cold outside. So basically, as soon as when the raindrops hit, it just disappears. It just freezes automatically. Okay. Mom has to pull over a few times. Well, back on the road again.
Well, we made it home. Had to pull over 3 times to scrape the windshield. Oh,
Yeah.
the boys are already getting into the groceries back there.
Yeah.
It took us 3 hours driving there and back and grocery shopping.
Well, what?
Okay, here is all the food and a few other things that we bought at Walmart today. This should be enough for the next 4 days to get us through the storm and the weekend. We got 2 big bags of cereal. The kids eat this so fast. Granola bars for snacks. I needed aluminum foil. Coffee, because you can never have too much coffee. Giant package of ground beef. I was looking for, what do they call it? I was looking for flank steak, but I couldn't find anything that said that. So I got this, and I'm hoping this is gonna work for the recipe I'm making. Sausage, turkey bacon, diced ham, and rotisserie pulled chicken. Then we got popcorn and almonds and Vienna sausage for snacks. Liam's happy. He likes the Vienna sausages. Frozen pancakes. I'm not even gonna try and pronounce that. Ridiculously expensive maple syrup.
Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce.
I don't know. You guys can tell me if that's correct.
Something like
Whipping. Paisley spotted a car outside. Whipping cream, whipped cream, milk. I should have gotten another milk. The kids go through milk so fast. 2 loaves of bread, canned garlic, bottled garlic, whatever. Carrots, 4 carrots, some canned tomatoes, 2 big heads of broccoli, baby spinach, cheese tortellini, and some other things we needed. And that was $212 and should last us 4 days. Maybe 5 if there's leftovers. Forgot to mention that we did already have on hand some of the ingredients for some of these dinners that I'm making, so that probably saved us $50 or so. What was that? The pantry dance? I did not realize that this would require 6 cups of milk. I definitely would have picked up another one of these at the store. I wonder if I can make it with just 4 cups. That just seems an obscene amount of milk.
All right, Mariah's practicing her. Yep, keep going. Got to practice getting that height and that toe towards the front. Vanilla ice cream.
Whee! The right way to ride a skateboard. Whee! Whee! Whee!
It just looks so funny to me.
Oh! Backwards. Wait, where am I going?
Food's done. Cooked up just fine without that extra milk. Don't see that cauliflower in there, do you?
If I was the best person. It's always when the camera is not.
Of course, she wants to be a skateboarder when she grows up.
Oh, well.
Well, at this pace, she won't need to grow up. She'll just have to do it next week or something.
Yeah! Bunny ear.
Tiny bit of snow.
Probably gonna be 5 feet tomorrow morning. I'll wake up.
I don't know. That's like a millimeter of snow, and it's not even snowing now. All right, time for bed. Good night to all. You can do it. No? It's not that deep yet. I'll have to get a shovel. So there's probably 12 inches out there, I would guess. Papa's already helped the neighbor get unstuck twice. They've canceled public school, so now our kids think that they shouldn't have to do school either. Silly children.
Cool.
Bulldozer just went by.